Just getting on past lunch. Wanted to try something different today for a snack for my lunch. So I'm cooking something in the air fryer. We got some slices of smoked pork jowl. I'm gonna fry it up like some bacon or something. For those of my viewers who don't know what pork jowl is, it's hog jowl or hog jowl, spelled J-O-W-L. And I'm gonna have it on toast. We bought some hog jowl to go with our New Year's dinner here. And I'm not gonna let it go to waste. I'm gonna cook some of it. And if I like this, I'll have another one tomorrow. We'll see how it comes out as soon as it's done. Alright, it's been cooking a minute or two. Maybe I better turn it over. We don't want to burn it. I don't know how it's going to taste, but it's smelling mighty good. Back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Oh, I burnt my toast. Why do I always do that? Well, we can remedy that. We'll make some more. Doggone it. This time we're going to lower the temperature. Maybe that's the problem. Nothing wrong with that toasty bread, but I don't care for burnt toast. Okay, now this hog jowl has a skin on it, just like a streak of salt pork or something. And unless you got some good chewers, you need to cut that off of it. Let's drain the grease. And make our sandwich. Clean that up till it cools off. There's nothing wrong with eating that skin if you got the strong teeth. Ooh, burnt my finger. Should have let it cool a little bit. Well, I can see right now I didn't cook enough of it, but it'll do. Alright, I cut off my skin. Let's put our meat on the bread. Now, what would go good on that? A little bit of mayonnaise. You could make one bodacious BLT with this stuff. Did I say a little bit? I done gobbed it on there. Alright, let's take our first bite. boy. No complaints here. Don't knock it if you ain't tried it, folks. I'm not even going to sit to the table. I'm going to whoop it right down. Boy, that's some good eating. This Pwalpar. Check it out.